There's nothing better than to go to the expert, the designer of the system, than to be able to ask the inventor himself when you have a special question or problem that you're encountering. And that's the greatest thing to be able to do when you're in a pickle.
Right, so this new feature of actually being able to speak to the inventor of a massive brand like Fastbraces or anything is not heard of very often. And the fact that even last week Tony gave me a call or after I submitted a question and he was on the phone, we couldn't believe it. My staff couldn't believe it. They're like, is that really him?
That's one of the things that I probably like the best about Fastbraces. To be able to actually talk to the guy that did it is something else. And I don't feel like he's just created a product that he's just trying to make money on, but he's really supporting it. It's incredible that he's 30 years into this and he's still right on the front line talking to the dentists about it, talking to people that are using the products every day. I feel like it gives it better touch, that as he needs to improve stuff, he'll know about it right away and he can make it better, faster.
One day I picked up my phone and he says, "Hey Melba, it's Tony." I'm like, "Tony who?" He's like, "Tony Biazzi, the inventor of Fastbraces." I said to him, "You actually pick up your own phone and return calls?" He says, "Yes, I do it all the time." It was an exciting experience, and I actually thought it was quite admirable of him that he gives that personal extra touch.
So one of the best features of the system is that we have an open communication with the inventor, so that if we have any questions, we can contact him. We have a superb backup of a team that will answer any questions we have at any time, and that has a great value to me.
It's incredible that you can talk to the inventor of a product pretty much within a 24-hour period of a request. It's just really unheard of in most industries, especially in the dental profession.
I've been doing ortho for 35 years, and I've had probably an opportunity where you can email or you could write a letter to the inventor or the creator of the product. But with Ask the Instructor, you got almost immediate response. I'd have never heard of anybody that would do that. I don't know how he even has the time to respond to thousands of users. Great deal.
Because where else can you talk to the inventor?